Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an incredible deal for Sociamonials. Finding the correct keywords, especially in the social media world, can be tough. Sociamonials was created specifically to address this issue, and it performs an excellent job of automating the process for you. For only $69, get lifetime access to Sociamonials today. Sociamonials is a social media management application that aids in the tracking and optimization of social media marketing efforts. Users of Sociamonials may schedule their posts across many platforms, making it simple for visitors to bookmark relevant content across multiple websites. The user-generated content programs offered by Sociamonials allow your consumers to submit video testimonials, photos, and stories that will further engage them. Make your users spread the word about your brand by allowing them to submit peer reviews, which new audiences will instantly trust. Sociamonials can also manage your fan pages and generate specific analytics reports to help you track how well your efforts are performing. With Sociamonials, you can also schedule posts on numerous platforms to maximize your reach and gain more customers. The wide features of Sociamonials go beyond income and lead generation. It even works with SendFox and MailerLite. You will also be able to observe which influencers are bringing your site the most traffic and sign-ups. Managing your small business's social media accounts can be a challenging task at times. You do, however, have a better choice. Try Sociamonials now. Sociamonials is definitely worth checking out if you are looking for some powerful keyword targeting functionality without spending much of your money. Save as much as $1,700 if you get Sociamonials' lifetime deal for only $69. If you like to gain access to some very powerful keyword targeting capabilities without having to spend too much, check out Sociamonials. For more details, click the link below and get lifetime access today at a super affordable price. Please check out the current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Surely, you will find a software solution that's right for you. Subscribe and hit that like button to get updates on the latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.